What's up, guys? We're in Cubao, Manila, Philippines. Today I'm going to give you a tour of some cool place that is here in Cubao, Araneta City, which I like to visit. It's a cool spot, has like all these kind of like, I guess, retro vibes. Has some cool shops. There's even a skate shop in there, and some cool little like mom and pop stores and records and all this stuff. What I'm looking for and what I'm going to show you is Cubao Expo. So come with me, I'll give you a virtual tour of Cubao and this place in Manila. And yeah, we're gonna go check out Cubao Expo. Right here on my right side is Ali Mall. And then right here is SM Mall Cubao. Look at this little tuk-tuk. And this bus right here is actually free. This is the Araneta City bus. You could ride that and ride it around Cubao or Araneta for free. Alright, we'll go ahead, and over there is also the bus depot. That's where people go to get the bus. We'll go show you that and how this city here, Araneta City or Cubao, looks like. So this big empty vacant lot used to actually hold like a little stadium or like a little like gym. I don't know what to call it. I would say just a stadium, but I think they had a big fire maybe like 2 years or a year and a half ago. They had a big fire here that took out all of the building that was here. This is also one of the main buses that you can take. As you can see, this one goes to Rosario Pasig, Novaliches, Rosario Pasig. This is also the bus that I usually take from Eastwood to come here in Cubao. This is where people line up to get the buses. See? So you can also take this. This place also has drop-offs from different kinds. There's like UV service and different types. There's even vendors right over here. It's a very interesting place. Up ahead, there's a cool thing called the food park that kind of replaced that thing I was talking about with the, I guess, the building that burned down. I think this vlog is just going to be a whole virtual tour of not really Cubao, but the Araneta City area. There's a lot of stuff you can do here. There's even farmers market. There's even Ali Mall. I do have vlogs of those, so please check that out. Yeah, there's tons. But yeah, just gotta check out the Manila Philippines playlist of mine. But we're gonna go ahead and check out this food park. Real life sites of Manila, Araneta City, Cubao, Philippines. Over there is, I guess, where all the food stuff is. The food park. You can get some food here and you can hang out here and eat. There's also a dampa here, which is at farmers. You can buy food or buy ingredients and they'll cook it for you. Some Project 4. Shout outs to Wild Dogs. Yeah, let's just peep in here. I'm not sure if there's another exit around here or what else is there. This is new to me. I haven't been here since that fire. But yeah, look at all the cool food you could get here. Nice. Over here you have barbecue. Smells really good. Look at that barbecue. It looks so good. Nice. And the Binka. So that was the food park. We're going on this adventure around here to go to Cubao Expo. Close by, cool spot. Can't stress. Let's go check it out. All right, I can already see it. That big circle over there is actually the entrance area of Cubao Expo. This is the area that was burned down. It's just right across the food park that I just showed you guys and the bus terminals. So this is actually, they closed that part off, but this is the main entrance of Cubao Expo. There is these cool thrift shops that I remember going to. I have a video of that as well. There's a cool thrift shop over here, and of course Cubao Expo, the entrance. And one of the places I really want to show you, Cubao Expo. Let's go check it out. All right, I'm just gonna keep walking around and show you what it is, like a virtual tour of this place. Over here is the thrift shop that always constantly changes, and all of these cool stuff. There's bag repair, cell phone photo studio, Primo right over here. Right over there has some dental stuff. And I know on this side, moreover, is the restaurants. There's even like cafes and stuff. We'll go in a big U and show you this area called Cubao Expo. A lot of the hipsters and cool kids kind of hang out here. And Dicina, there's some food spots over there, but I think we'll walk through here. Look at this vintage record store, or what do you call that? Novelty shops. You get those to get Beatles records from Japan. That is awesome. And all these cool like novelties, man. Oh, nocturnal. What? That is cool. And like all these other cool stuff you could get. Thrifted goods. What else is over here? I love this. The Filipino, what do you call that? Jeepney sign font. Bad Omen. Final Dump over here. Tsingtao beer. I've had Tsingtao beer in Japan at this China festival. Right there's a little cool like Chinese restaurant at Cubao Expo. This one here is more for foods. And they can even eat upstairs. But we'll peep this one real fast. Best of luck, Cubao Expo. Best of luck, Cubao Expo. Wow. So it's like, I guess, Chinese goods. Look at this staircase. So rustic and shit, you know? Go up there, I'm not sure what it is. I ate here before. I'm not sure if they closed down. This used to be open, had like cool stuff. This spot right here, this entranceway brings you to Art and Island, which is also like a Team Labs kind of deal. At nighttime, this place is cool, man. Look at all this vintage looking stuff. This one's an Italian restaurant over here. Wow, look at that. I even have like a tilting tower. Bellini's Chair of Fame. The cool bars that they have all here. They also had a skate comp that I joined over here. It was by Kicks Engines, I believe. But it looks like they're kind of run down this time, or closed. Maybe, yeah, maybe at nighttime it is really better to come here. I don't know if you guys see that. I love the whole graffiti slaps. Yeah, so I know that this whole place has like real mom and pops, like trending stuff that you could check out. And Ash, a brewery. They have a brewery over here. That's cool. Just peeping out some stuff. Rue's Cafe. Miyagi Sushi. A cool barber shop over here. And the initial exit, I think that's what it's called. Right over here. There's right near near this toy place. They have Quick Engines, which is a skate shop and also magic store. We'll check this out right here. Look at these cool toys. Cool One Piece and all that. Let's go check it out. They've even got a rail out in the front. Whew. I don't know if they're closed. Let's see if someone's in there. A lot of NHS stuff. Let's go check. Oh, they are closed. I think you gotta ring the doorbell. Yeah. If you really want to go. I think they're probably up on top. There's a cool rail. Perfect height. Nice length. Alright. This one has a cool shoe shop. Very clean. It's right near Kicks Engines. And then this more vintage collectible goods. I could probably compare Cubao Expo as like maybe a Shimokitazawa in Tokyo, or a like almost Harajuku spot, like a Harajuku, not Takashita Dori, but like this whole area has all those cool thrifts and vintage stuff, and like vinyl cafes and food restaurants and stuff pop up. But yeah, this is Cubao Expo. I highly recommend it. You come here at nighttime. Right now it looks like it's dead, but I think everyone's preparing for the night because this place goes. Yeah. This is Sunny and Scramble on my left. And yeah, that was Cubao Expo. I hope you enjoyed this quick virtual tour of Cubao, Araneta City, and Cubao Expo. I'll catch you on the next time. I'm over. Peace. My name's Mark. I'm out.